this is my thought process when I'm going through a chart. First I look at the structure. I look at the bigger pattern. I see, okay, there's a move here, a possible up move because we're in this area, and this is what price has been doing for the past many years. Okay, then let's take a closer look at the structure. What is actually happening? Well, there's a possible pattern here. Impulse, 3-wave flat, and maybe a move up. Then I need more context. I look at the volume. Volume is really spiking in this area. So it's a key area. It's an area of interest where price can react and move from, right? So this is my analysis. And then lastly, but not least, I used Anchor VWAP to create a better understanding of the trend right now. And I clearly see that it's still down on this time frame. So with this in mind, I then zoom in here, I go on lower time frames, and I look for setups, trading setups that are in my playbook. And then if there is a trade, I will take it. And then when I'm in the trade, I will manage the trade, because no one knows the outcome of the trade. This right here is just a possible scenario, right? For what it's a story that I'm building based on what I see, based on my tools that I use, volume, structure, price action, etc. And whether that story will unfold is, I don't know. But I'm going to listen to what the market tells me, and I'm going to trade based off that. This story, this analysis, not something I'm gonna get attached to, right? It's just an idea. It's just what I see right now, and this can change from week to week. So with that in mind, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna keep uploading these kind of videos from now on. So subscribe, like, and have a good day. Bye.